Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Mastery Academy. 1000 water drops of the same size are charged to a potential of 1 volt and are initially far apart. If they merge to form a single large drop, what will be its potential? Assume the drops to be perfect spherical conductors. A. 1 volt, B. 10 volts, C. 100 volts, or D. 1000 volts. Which one is the correct answer? We assume the drops are small spheres with radius r and voltage 1 volt. They are far apart in a way that they don't have any interaction to each other. If we merge these small spheres to make a large drop, the result will be a large sphere with radius r and voltage V large. We are looking for this V large in terms of V small. The volume of this large drop is 1000 times greater than the volume of each small drop. Therefore, if we cancel out 4 pi over 3 from both sides, we can get r as 10 times greater than the radius of small drops. On the other hand, the voltage of each small drop can be defined as a voltage for a single point charge, and the same definition for voltage of this large drop. So here, Q, the charge on this large drop, is 1000 times greater than the charge of small drops. If we substitute R and Q in V large, we get V large as 100 times greater than KQ over R, which is V small. And since V small is 1 volt, therefore V large is 100 volts. In other words, C is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.